Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to be showing you a CapCut tutorial. So this is going to be simple. I'm currently on my phone for this one, and as you can see here on my screen I have this video that I actually like. It's a music video of a Japanese pop song, but that doesn't matter. So we're going to be adding some text. So basically we just go click on the empty spot here. Make sure you're not clicked on the video clip but on the empty spot, so you'll see these options down here. So you click on add text, and then let's add the text that you want. So sorry. So let's say the font that you want isn't here. So what you just need to do if you want to add manually a new font is to click on add font over here and to click the plus button. Now we need to head over to downloads, and as you can see here, there's this thing called Bergstena. This is a font that I've downloaded. In order to download your own font, you head to websites such as thefont.com and find fonts that you would like to download and just click download. And after you finish downloading it, you head over to file manager and you have to extract the files from the font to a folder, because like the CapCut does not accept zip files for like as fonts. So I'm going to be extracting the files, and as you can see it's finished extracting. So I'm going to head over back to CapCut again and then go downloads again. Let me just switch this back. And then let's find that file now. If it has finished extracting, then it should be around here. As you can see, oh yeah, Bergstena script over here. And then we just need to click any of these fonts over here. Click that, and as you can see, it has added the font. Press that, and as you can see, we now have Bergstena decorate as a new font. And if we play it, it's now part of our video. That's it. That's how you can import new fonts on CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.